If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can duplicate a layer in Photoshop to create a copy of its content in the same Photoshop document or in a different Photoshop document. However, if you duplicate a layer in a Photoshop document that has a different pixel resolution, the layer's content may appear a different size than you intended. To immediately create a duplicate layer in a Photoshop document, click and drag the layer in the Layers panel to duplicate, and then drop it on top of the Create a New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Alternatively, to duplicate a layer in Photoshop and set its name and document destination, first open the destination Photoshop document into which to duplicate the layer if needed. Then select the layer in the Layers panel to duplicate within the initial Photoshop document. Then select Layer, Duplicate Layer from the menu bar to open the Duplicate Layer dialog box. Type a name for the duplicate layer into the As field in the Duplicate Layer dialog box. To select into which Photoshop document to copy the duplicate layer, select a choice from the Document dropdown. Optionally, to copy the layer to an artboard canvas within the selected document if one is available, select the name of the artboard to which to duplicate the layer from the Artboard dropdown. To copy it to the canvas instead, select the Canvas choice from the Artboard dropdown. To instead copy the duplicate layer to a new Photoshop document, select the New choice from the Document dropdown. Then type a name for the new Photoshop document into the Name field. After selecting the name of the duplicate layer and its destination in the Duplicate Layer dialog box, click the OK button to duplicate the selected layer in the Layers panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.